Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on the usage of different tags in HTML. This is the text editor window, and the first step would be to save this file some name. You will say save as, and then you have to select the location where you have to save the document. For example, I am saving it in E drive. I have to write the name. The name I am writing is demo.html. You are requested to pay attention to the way I am writing the name, and then you have to do save. So the document has been saved in E drive with the name demo.html. I request you to please open the document. So the structure of a basic HTML document would start with HTML, and then we have to close this tag, and inside HTML we have a head tag. Whenever you open a tag, you have to close this tag, and then you have the body tag. So this is the basic structure. This means we are starting a HTML document and then we are ending the document here. This is the head tag and this is the body tag. So in this lecture we would just look at some of the basic tags. The first one is the P tag. The P tag is basically the paragraph tag. So you can see here that I'll write something, for example. So you need to save this document, file and save, and then you can view the output in the window. Refresh. So the output that you get is this. An important thing to note here is that here we are not getting the lines as we have written. You have a line break after GH, but here it is just appearing in one line. So in paragraph tag, whatever you write would be displayed in a single line. As we've left spaces here, it is not there in the HTML document. Neither the spaces that we have inserted here are visible. So the tags that we write are not visible on the HTML page, and whatever we write, it is available in just one line. So one is the P tag that we have studied. So now we'll study how we have to insert a new line in HTML. The tag for that is the BR tag. You have to save the document and then refresh this. So now you can see that using the BR tag, you're doing the new line. So in case you also have to insert a new line here, what you have to do is you have to insert the BR tag and then save the document. Once you save and then you refresh it, you would get a new line. So this is basically some of the basic tags that we use. The next tag that we would study is the B tag. The B tag is basically used to bold series of sentences or words. For example, I have to write computer science and I have to bold it. So I'll write computer science and I will close the tag. So this computer science should appear as bold. I'll save this file and then I will see this computer science is bold now. In the same way, you can use the Italicize tag. This is I. Open the tag and then close the tag, and inside that you can write computer science and then you can save the file. Output that you get is this. So now you can see that computer science is italicized. In the same way, you can also use the U tag, which is also called the underline tag. So the underline tag is basically used to underline the series of words or sentences. So you can see here that the computer science is now underlined. So till now we have seen the P tag, we have seen the BR tag, we have seen B tag, I tag and U tag. So the next tag that we would talk about is the heading tag. If you have to write the word computer science, we'll copy it So if you have to write the word computer science, so there are different types of heading. It's H1 heading, H2 heading, H3 heading, and H4 heading. So I'll write the same word inside H1 heading and H2 heading. Whenever you open the tag, you have to close the tag, and inside that you have to write the word which has to be inserted as a heading. You have to open the tag, and then you have to close the tag, and inside the tag you have to write. In the same way, we'll write H4 heading and H5 heading. So the basic use of Sublime Text is that you don't have to type the tags again and again. It actually appears automatically, and then you have to save the file, and we will see the output when we refresh it. So you can see here that the H1 in the H1 tag, the text would appear like this. In the H2 tag, the text would appear like this. H3 tag, H4 tag, and H5 tag. So you should know now that where you have to use H1 tag, H2 tag, and H3 tag. This tag is basically used when we have to insert a heading, and we would use the different type of tag as per our need at different places. So I guess you all know now how we use the P tag, B tag, I tag, U tag, and BR tag. So now let us see how we have to insert a new paragraph. So if you have to insert a new paragraph, you will open the tag, you will close the tag, and inside that you can write anything. And then you have to save the file, and you can view the output here. So this is one paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. So there is some space which has been left between the two paragraphs. So we also have a tag which is called the HR tag. It will basically insert a line. So for example, I have to insert a line between the two paragraphs. What I will do is I will write HR. See, you can see here, and it is dividing the page. So the work of HR is basically it draws a horizontal line. So this was introduction to some of the basic tags. I hope you are able to use them. This brings us to the end of the lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.